In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify with Facebook ads. So in order to connect it, you're going to have to install an app on your Shopify store. So you just have to go to app settings and then open the Shopify app store. Now, once we do that, we're going to have to basically search for Facebook. And then after that, we're going to have to simply install this app here. So let's search for Facebook and Instagram. So this one right here. So once you install it, you're gonna have to open it and you're gonna have to log in into your Facebook account. So it's really important that you use your Facebook Ads Manager account. So as you can see, I have it here. And then after that, we just have to make sure everything is logged in. So here we have to choose our Facebook profile, and basically we just have to choose a business portfolio. Now, my Facebook account is restricted, so I cannot actually run ads, but if you have a brand new Facebook account, it will work. So once you connect it, so after you submit for a review and they approve it, you can go to Facebook Ad Manager and you can go to Ads Manager and start running ads for your Shopify store. So you just have to go to campaigns, and then you can simply start creating different ads, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.